Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to add credit card to Cash App. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Cash App application. Once you open the app, make sure you log into your account, and if you don't have an account, create one and then log in. Once you do so, you'll get to this homepage. Now, once you're on the homepage, tap on your profile at the top right corner and then you'll get to this menu. Now, scroll a bit down, then under account and settings section, you will see this option linked banks. Tap on it. You'll get the link credit card option in this page. If you don't see it, first you'll have to add a debit card. So tap on the first option and then you'll have to enter your debit card informations. Once you enter it, tap on this link card button. Once you do so, you will get link credit card option. Once again, tap on that button and it will ask you to enter your credit card information. So fill up your credit card information and again tap on the link card option. Once you do so, your credit card will be added to your Cash App. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. I'll catch you on the next one.